Right, in this video, I want to show you how you can actually add a custom thumbnail to your already uploaded YouTube short, or maybe you're just trying to upload it. It's still the same process, right? So please, before I proceed, do well to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's head straight to the point. So first thing first, I'm going to head over to my YouTube app. Okay, I've uploaded a short that I'm going to use for this very particular video. I'll just click on where my profile picture is and view channel. Then I'll go to short. So when I click on short, these are my already uploaded shorts. So I'm just going to pick any of this. So I'm going to click on those three lines here. So when I click on that, I'll just click on edit. So when I click on edit, you can see this pencil icon here. Sorry guys, you can see this pencil icon here. I'm just going to click on that. So when you click on that, you'll now be allowed to select the best parts of your video that you actually want to showcase in the thumbnail. Okay, so that is what you're just going to do right here. Okay, so for me, I'll prefer here, and I'm just going to click on this mark button. Okay, you can see right here that this part I choose is actually the part that is displaying as my thumbnail. Okay, so after doing all the whole stuff, you just hit on the save button and you're just going to save it right away. So if actually you are just uploading a new shot, you click on this plus sign, click on short. Before you post the shot, you actually see the pencil icon for you to do that, and just go ahead and do that immediately. Please let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Please do well to like, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and also do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to get notified. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.